There are just so many ways that people with any amount can help and give. The big donors make impacts for students too, but there are also impacts that people can make at whatever level they can give. We believe in giving SVSU because we actually had contact with students and that we could see the need.
Education and the power of education.
If you're moving ahead, you need to reach back and have other people move ahead. And we firmly believe a need to give back.
It was very important to be able to give in a way that we could actually see.
Here we were almost guaranteed that if we gave money for a student cause, they would get it. We could see it impacting students, and we found that gratifying.
Those are the best ways to give. We just need to know we have did our part to try to make a difference in somebody else's life.